Hello everyone and welcome sa ating home-based story. My name is Mimi and nandito ako to help you find different online opportunities and earn extra cash online nang hindi umaalis sa inyong mga bahay. Kaya naman kung bago kayo dito sa ating channel or dito sa ating page, please consider subscribing and following us. Ayan, so guys, for today's video, gadget review tayo and i-check natin yung newest tablet from Xiaomi, which is the Pad 5. Ayan, the Xiaomi Pad 5. Ayan, so guys, kung hindi nyo alam, it's been a while since Xiaomi released their last tablet. So guys, make sure you stay with me until the end of our video para malaman natin kung this tablet is really worth all the hype and if it is worth it to get one for ourselves. And so, kita nyo naman guys that the box is all white with the Xiaomi Pad 5 in rose gold color. Inside guys, we'll find the unit right away. So, check natin what's inside the rest of the box. So, we have this little box that has the Xiaomi logo in front of it. Let's open it. And sa loob guys, makikita natin ito makapal na quick start guide. So because it comes in different language. And then we also have the warranty card. There's no other things inside the box except for these two. And then if we lift this box, under it we're gonna see another small box. And let's pull it out. This small box contains the charger, yes. So this one is a 22.5 charger with the USB-C cable there. That's it guys for the box. Wala na siyang laman there. So tabi muna natin to and let's go ahead and check the unit. Okay, so tanggalin na natin tong kanyang plastic cover. Ayan. So guys, ito na yung unit at ang laki niya guys. Bago natin i-on itong ating tablet, let's first check out the other item that they sent us, which is the Xiaomi Smart Pen. And so this one guys only works with the Pad 5 and it's the perfect companion for your tablet. Ayan. So meron siya guys dito sa taas na parang pull-out tab. Let's just pull it out. And we will be greeted by this box that says designed by Xiaomi. We lift it, we'll already see the pen itself. So, check lang natin what's inside the box. Okay, so we have here the warranty card. And we also have the quick start guide na medyo makapal din because of the other languages. This one comes with a replacement tip. Ayan, so ito na yung ating smart pen. Let's remove the cover. This one has two buttons and then, ayan, napapalitan daw itong tip na ito. So, we'll see later how this functions with our tablet. So, the unit weighs about 511 grams. So, on the front, you will see the screen glass. This is 11 inches IPS LCD with an 82.8% screen-to-body ratio. Flat screen siya, guys, with an 8MP punch hole selfie camera. So, ito guys, yung likod niya. So, makikita nyo, this one comes in a cosmic gray scheme. I love that it's holographic. Ayan. This one guys is plastic. Tapos makikita nyo, meron siyang Xiaomi logo here. And then, you also have there your 13MP AI camera with a dual flash. Then, start muna tayo sa top. You will see here the power button. Then, you have there the two speakers on one side. Sabi dyan, Dolby Vision Atmos, and then you also have the hole for your microphone. And then here on the other side would be the keyboard connector hub. On this other side, you will see here two of the other speakers. So a total guys of 4 speakers plus another microphone hole and the charging port. Ayan, the USB-C port. And then dito naman sa pinakahuling side, you will see here the volume rocker. and the NFC hub for your smart pen. So, isa sa mga napansin ko sa pag-check ng mga ports and holes niya is walang 3mm jack for the headphones. The thing that is missing is wala siyang memory card slot or SIM slots. Ayan. Set up ko lang to guys and then check natin yung kanyang mga specs. Ayan. So, guys, ito na yung ating tablet. So, you can see, napakalaki ng screen niya na nakakatuwa. Nakakagulat siya. And, kita nyo naman, napakaganda ng kanyang screen. Ayan. So, guys, this tablet runs on Android 11 with the MIUI 12.5. Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 na siya. Octa-core. And meron siyang graphics na Adreno 640. Ayan. Yung memory niya, guys, is 128GB with a 6GB memory. Ayan. So, yung display niya, guys, is IPS LCD, 120Hz, HDR10. Ayan, with Dolby Vision. Tapos, yung resolution niya is 1600 by 2560 pixel, which is a 16:10 ratio. Ayan. So, test natin yung kanyang camera. Ayan. So, guys, this is the camera. Kita nyo ba? So, yung front camera muna, guys, yung ating itest. Ayan. So, guys, ito yung kanyang front camera. This one is 8MP with a 1080 pixel by 30 frame per second. Tapos, yung aperture niya is 2.0. Check natin kung ano yung mga functions here. So, you can change the sizes. They have a timer. Tapos, meron din sila yung palm shutter, yung parang kapag gumanyan ka, magpipicture siya. So, those are some of default settings that we have for the camera. Yung rear camera niya, guys, has a 13MP main camera. AI camera, guys. It scans documents, which is very useful, especially if you're working with a lot of documents sa school and sa work.
Super hype and omega-3s.
So you eat human food, huh?
Yeah, why wouldn't I?
Because you're a dog.
So guys, sobrang ganda nung sound kasi 4 yung speakers niya and sobrang lakas. Actually, parang mas maganda pa nga yung register ng sound ito kaysa doon sa speaker namin for the TV. And ayun nga, optimized na siya ni Dolby Atmos Vision. So, napaka-immersive nung sound niya. So guys, pagdating naman sa performance, nag-install ako guys ng Genshin Impact and ng Ragnarok X. Ayan. And sobrang smooth and ganda ng graphic. Ang ganda ng detail. Super crisp yung quality. Hindi siya nag-freeze or naglalag. Walang latency issues. Pero siguro tatanong kayo, like, saan ba talaga ginagamit yung tablet? Bakit nahahype yung mga tao sa tablet? So, ako kasi, I use this mostly for reading my books. Malaki siya and parang book yung hawak mo talaga kasi nga because of the size. And then, I also read my webtoon here. Sobrang laki nung screen for webtoon, 'di ba? So, masaya magbasa and maglaro. It's like a mini screen of your computer or a bigger screen of your mobile merged into one. Let's go ahead and try how this smart pen works. Ayan. So, para i-connect nyo to guys, on nyo lang yung Bluetooth nyo. And then, this one actually sticks here on top, like that. So, it sticks there through a magnetic charging hub. Ko-connect lang natin siya using Bluetooth. So, on lang natin yung Bluetooth. And then, yan, magko-connect na siya. So, ito guys, yung kanyang notes. You have there the pencil, the pen, the marker. Ayan. So, kita nyo guys, gumagana siya without any latencies. I find this useful, especially if halimbawa may pakita akong mga presentation sa clients. Or for the kids, it's also easy for them to say annotate, ganyan. Meron kasi sila mga ganyan sa school classes nila, 'di ba? So, the smart pen makes it all easier. So guys, this will be launched and it will be available on Lazada in the Xiaomi official store. So check it out. Hindi pa nabigay sa atin yung price, but I will post it on the screen if we already have it. So alam niyo naman si Xiaomi, it produces high quality products na very affordable. So hindi natin kailangang butasin yung ating budget para lang maka-afford ng tablet that we can use for, you know, productivity. Like I'm seeing this for students that, you know, they can use for their online school. Kasi mas madali talaga para sa mga bata, especially the young kids, kung interactive yung screen, right? Instead of a laptop na magta-type pa sila or they need to use a trackpad or a mouse. So, this is a better option for your kids. And para naman doon sa mga mommy like me, I really find that, you know, it's very easy to bring with you anywhere. Like, you can check your emails, you can check, you know, your shows while you're cooking. Ilagay nyo lang siya sa stand and then, you know, you can watch your favorite Netflix or YouTube vlogs habang nagluluto kayo or whatever you're doing, like naglalaba or even naliligo, I don't know. Ayan, and then for those naman na like, you know, medyo malabo na yung mata. It's very easy to read, guys, kasi napakalaki nung screen niya. So, everything is very easy to read. Gives you a more engaging and immersive viewing experience na hindi mo makukuha sa phone. So, iba talaga yung datingan ng tablet. It's like an upgraded version of the mobile experience. Ayan. So guys, if you wanna get it, I will just put the link below para hindi na kayo maligaw. Please use our link if you're really interested. It really helps our channel do more gadget reviews like this, and then eventually, sana, 'di ba, they will provide us more units so we can give it away. Ayan. And then if you use my link, like always, you will get special gift and discounts from the Xiaomi official store. Ayan. So thank you guys for watching today, and I'm so excited to see you on our next video. Bye!
If you're interested in working from home, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell button so that you're updated whenever I upload a new video.